Okay, so there's a couple of places in order to edit the color of the font or change the font color on your in your Pinnacle cart. There's a couple of places to do that. We've got multiple independent pages here. We're using Pinnacle cart as our primary website, so we've created static pages here. For instance, the installation video page, and so this is a custom page that was built. And in addition to that, you have these other pages that are part of the shopping cart system itself. So when we click on 30 to 32. We're taken to this catalog page, and we can see the product overview text is here, and then here's the product title, obviously. So we can change the color of all of this text if we wanted to. In addition to that, we obviously have our static pages that we built. So in the back end of Pinnacle Cart, when currently we're in the cart designer, we're going to exit this real quick and come back to that in a second. In order to change the text color on our static pages that we created, we go up to cart settings and then edit text pages, and then here's all the text pages that we've created, and then we go to the installation video page, and we need to come down to the page HTML and simply click edit HTML online. We can highlight the text that we want to change the color, and then using this WYSIWYG editor we can just select the color of the text that we want. So we want it to be green, and so there's the change. Then we hit save changes and come back to the page and hit F5 to refresh, and then there's the text color change. So that's how to change the text color on static pages. And I'm going to go back to this page editing and change that back, since we don't want green text on our page. But that's how you would do that for your text pages. And in order to change the text color inside your shopping cart for a catalog page or for a product page, it's all done in the same place. So currently we're just sitting on the website here, and here's a catalog page. We're looking at, this is not, obviously these are not custom created pages. These are pages created from using Pinnacle carts, the shopping cart software. So when we go to the admin area, we need to go to the cart designer in order to do that. So we go to cart settings and then down to appearance settings, and then we activate the cart designer. And this is a really nice feature with inside Pinnacle cart to be able to do this very quickly and easily. So we can, in effect, we're editing the CSS files, but if we wanted to go to this catalog page again, the 3032, and come down to the product overview here. We want to change the color of this text. Now when we make this change, it's going to make the change site-wide on all of these in every category. So when we've got this here, we right click on it, hit edit visual properties, and it's going to open up the editor, the visual editor for us, where we can change the font, we can align the text specifically, or we can change the background color. We don't need to deal with the background color, but you'll notice also that we're under the common product view, we're under the product overview area, and so when we click in the color field, it gives us the opportunity to change that text color simply by grabbing this dot and dragging it around to whatever we want. Obviously, if you're familiar with these types of editors, you can come over here and slide this to change the actual color that you're going to use, and then come over and grab the dot and roll it around to wherever you want it to go. And when you're done, simply hit enter and then click out of the box. So now we've changed that color, and we can simply hit save, and it'll change that color. Let's go ahead and make that save, and then close it. And so now you'll see that that text color is now this purple color. So let's go ahead and change that back. We'll right click again and edit visual properties, and then we're going to go back and change that back to black. So we just want to drag this down here in the bottom right hand corner and hit enter, and you'll see that it took in these two boxes to let us know, and then we click out of that box, and then we hit save again. And so then when we close it, now we're back to, oh, we didn't catch it right. We wanted it to be gray. Let's go change it back to black. So we want it to be black there. So now we're black text. You can also type in, all zeros. There's 6 characters there to type in after the pound sign, and that'll define your color. And we hit save and hit close, and now we're back to black text. And we hit save here. We want to make it on all the pages. Save that change, and then exit out, and now we're back to black on this page as well. So pretty straightforward in changing you can also change the font colors of your title tags, anything you want from inside the cart designer. Simply right click on the area you want to change, and then go ahead and do those same steps. So I hope that was helpful.